iCamp we are trying to come up with an iCamp environment design model, an educational design model, where we would combine certain activities together with a set of heterogeneous tools in order to advance the students' competencies in 3 areas of challenge, which are self-directing their learning projects, cross-cultural collaboration and social networking in these virtual environments. The other tasks and work packages in iCamp are related to defining a heterogeneous set of tools and advance them also according to our pedagogical needs, to come up with an infrastructure that can connect all these different tools in different contexts and according to the different needs, to do this evaluation of our concepts in real-world settings in higher education with students and facilitators coming from different countries, to assess all this together and feed that back into our new design process. And finally, we also have a work package on dissemination and exploitation, where we discuss how we will use our findings in the future within our institutes and also outside. We have a very heterogeneous partnership here in iCamp with partners coming from different backgrounds and different countries. We are really multidisciplinary in that sense, with technology providers as well as pedagogical experts, and we have partners from, especially from the then called new member states in Europe, which is Estonia. Then we have partners from Lithuania, we have partners from Poland, we also have partners from Turkey. We have partners from Spain, from Austria, from, from Germany now also, from the Czech Republic and from the UK and from Slovenia. So the vision in iCamp is to create learning environments, or support learners in creating their own learning environments where they could perform activities across different tools, especially social software tools, to advance also in their competence and take care of their own learning in a self-directed and self-managed way, establish their social networks across with different Web 2.0 technologies and social software tools especially, and collaborate with peers across national boundaries in the digitally mediated world. What is special about iCamp is that we wanted to test our ideas, methods and tools in real-life settings. So we conducted 3 so-called international iCamp trials that even included institutions that were not amongst the research partners.
Okay, my name is Linda Castañeda. I am working at the University of Murcia in the group of research in educational technology.
I'm María del Mar Sánchez. I'm from Murcia.
My name is Igor Balaban. I come from Faculty of Organization and Informatics in Varaždin.
My name is Krasen Stefanov. I am Associate Professor at the University of Sofia.
I'm Lehosław Chojnacki from the south of Poland.
My name is Mart Laanpere and I come from Estonia. I work in Tallinn University as a head of the Center for Educational Technology.
My name is Tiina Hämäläinen. I work as a teacher in University of Oulu.
My name is Kai Pata and I come from Tallinn University Center of Educational Technology.
Hello, my name is Terje Väljataga and I am from Tallinn University, from the Center for Educational Technology.
Well, I'm interested in modern e-pedagogy. This is not only my job. I'm sure that pedagogical basis of iCamp project, which is deeply grounded in constructivist theory, is the most interesting aspect.
I have met iCamp people, iCampers and the iCamp project last years ago, and some of them invited me to join this trial.
Since I'm a teacher in educational technology, we were seeking partners for international course for our students. We have a minor subject which I teach, and we wanted to give the students experience of international course.
I joined the iCamp trial because I was asked by old friend of mine, Mart Lampere, with whom I studied 10 years ago Master of Science program in Educational Training System Designing.
My expectations about this trial are very different. I have some expectations about the tools, the use of the tools with different students from different cultural environments, and also I have some expectation about my ability to be a very nice facilitator in this kind of project and this kind of context.
My expectations from trials projects are that I will gain some international experience, some different experience in e-learning and in ICT usage in e-learning, and also for my students to gain some additional experience and maybe to benchmark me, myself and my other colleagues in that process.
I think it's an important skill for the students, for example for the work life that they are going to go. Many students will work in projects and maybe in international projects, and I think this way they will learn many useful skills, how to work and learn with other people and how to work in international groups.
I'm really looking forward to work together with students and also co-facilitators for such many countries. So I expect that this is going to be a fascinating course.
I do expect communication problems. Not every people are used to use social tools.
I think what the biggest challenge is the specific topic of self-assessment. Try to develop the sense of self-assessment in the students.
The biggest challenge in this trials project, I think, would be the new way of using social software in teaching, in constructing courses.
My experience in similar projects show that the biggest challenges are related to the joint work of people with different cultural and social experiences.
I think it's going to be difficult in this sense that we have quite many students, and we are not going to meet them face to face. So it means that we have to handle all the communication and regulation online, using online tools.
Social software can be very useful because it can create virtual communities of practice between students. So that means that they do not have physically be at the same place to deal with some specific problems. They could be separated.
The personal learning environments nowadays enable people to keep control of their own ideas and be very playful. I think that these environments are really enjoying.
Well, I am one of the persons who believe that social software and the use of social software is more or less like our future.
Well, we're in the knowledge-based society. So for our students, as professional, networking is maybe one of the most key competences around the world.